Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the Samsung Galaxy Ace. I have just repaired the screen, the inside of inside. The touchscreen works okay, so let's see it. There we have the microphone. At this side the volume buttons. At the top the jack connector for our headphones and the micro USB connector for charging or connect to the PC. On the other side the turn on off button and a micro SD card slot. At the back we found a LED flash, a speaker and a 5 megapixel camera. Let's turn it on. Made in 2011, that phone uses the operative system Android 2.3. Let's see what more it has. At the main screen, like new, that we can see Gmail, Google Maps, Play Store for games or apps, and Google Talk, and a tile for quick search on internet. And two other pages completely with nothing. We can put different things, widgets, folders and others. I'm gonna show you the wallpapers. This is like a GIF, okay? What more? Are the same as my Galaxy Mini. All are the same. For example, okay, that phone has a CPU at 800 MHz. It's an ARM11. A GPU Adreno 2000, and what more? The screen has 3.5 inches and a resolution of 320 Hz and 480 pixels with a 165 pixel per inch, 1, 2, 3.5 inches. Okay, as I told you at the start, it has 5 megapixel camera and it records at 480p at 24 frames per second. Okay, let's take a look at the camera. I haven't put any micro SD card. It looks okay, not very bad. There we found different stand modes: night, sports, desk, different. Okay, let's see the ringtones. Okay, now the notification sounds, okay. That was all. That phone has a RAM about 278 megabytes of RAM and 158 megabytes of ROM for nothing, for apps only, because we want a micro SD card for taking photos and other contents. Let's see what we found at the main menu. The clock, calendar, notes, music player, gallery of photos, Gmail, internet, YouTube, navigation, my fields, search by voice, recorder, voice recorder, calculator, nothing more, and downloads, and an ebook, okay, ebook. Nothing more, that's the Samsung Galaxy Ace. It has also Wi-Fi, there we can see, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and accelerometer for rotate the screen. Let's see, for example, you can see, and nothing more about that cell phone. It has a chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon S1 MSM 7227 and nothing more. It's a 3G cell phone. It works at GSM technology. And thank you for watching my video, and see you soon in another video. Like the video, subscribe if not, and see you soon. Bye bye.